Hey everyone, wanted to do another video on propagating willow from cuttings. This is probably not the ideal situation. These are hardwood willow cuttings. I found them in a park locally. See some of the willow right there. But they are leafing out. When I pull on them, they do give a little resistance. So I'm assuming there's some sort of root action. I'm going to try and dig down to see if I can find any roots. But willow is notoriously easy to propagate. I've never done any, and it's probably best if you take this year's growth and looks like there's something. If you take this year's growth of any plant and convert that over, but this worked actually pretty good. You can see at the very bottom, let's get a little closer, it has started to root out. Carefully pull it up. So right there, that's new willow growth. So this is not even ideal conditions, but it seems like all of these are doing just fine. You could probably easily grow new willow from cuttings like this, and I'll leave these in here for a couple weeks. Usually when the new growth is about 6 inches or so, then that means that the plant's big enough and you can transplant it. But we'll have to take a look at that when that happens, and we'll have to see like the success of these cuttings. So far, I think willow, blackberry, I have some blackberry here, elderberry, those all do really well. Hydrangeas do really well, and you can just get new plants really easily. So with that, get some new willow trees soon, hopefully, and I'll do some more videos.